Can I tell you the feedback that changed how we teach AI? People kept telling us, can we go deeper? Is there a next level of learning to this webinar? Is there a next level of learning to this session? A real masterclass where we slow down, practice, ask questions, and actually get better at one thing. So that was the feedback we got. And that is exactly what we are going to be doing. Once a month, one topic, and we go deep. Here is how it works. One topic all the way down instead of skimming the surface of everything AI. Each masterclass takes a single topic and gives you everything. The information, the hands-on practice, and the resources you need to walk away actually good at that one thing. You pick what you need. These are not a series you have to follow in order. Look at the topic. Ask yourself, is this the problem on my desk right now? And sign up for the ones that fit. Our first one is all about Copilot, going deep on the tool so many of you already have sitting in your Microsoft license and are required to use. The next one is built for managers and leaders. And here's the thing, we create this with an L&D lens because that's who we are. But these are not just for learning and development. If you lead people or build things at work, this is for you. So that's the idea. One topic a month, real depth, real practice, real experience. Pick your topic and hopefully I'll see you there. Link below.